Redmond homes reflect a unique blend of architectural styles. From sleek, modern residences near tech corridors to traditional homes tucked into established neighborhoods, homeowners want exterior upgrades that enhance both appearance and performance. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is selecting the right replacement door, a choice that affects curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and daily comfort. Choosing the right door style isn't about following trends alone. It's about finding a design that complements your home's architecture while standing up to Redmond's cool, damp climate. Here's how homeowners can confidently choose a replacement door that fits both modern and traditional Redmond homes. Understanding Redmond's architectural mix. Redmond neighborhoods feature a wide range of home designs. Newer builds often lean modern, with clean lines and minimalist details, while older homes showcase traditional elements like paneled doors, side lights, and classic trim. Before choosing a replacement door, consider your home's overall architectural style. Existing exterior materials like siding, stone, or brick, window shapes, and trim details. Whether your home leans modern, traditional, or transitional, matching the door style to the home's character ensures a cohesive, intentional look. Modern door styles for contemporary Redmond homes. Modern homes benefit from doors with simple profiles, bold finishes, and minimal ornamentation. These designs emphasize form and function without visual clutter. Popular modern replacement door features include flat panel or slab-style doors, black, charcoal, or dark bronze finishes, narrow vertical glass inserts for natural light, matte hardware with clean lines. These doors enhance curb appeal while reinforcing the streamlined aesthetic common in newer Redmond homes. Classic door designs for traditional homes. Traditional Redmond homes often look best with doors that reflect timeless craftsmanship and warmth. Replacement doors for these homes typically feature more detailing and softer finishes. Classic door options include raised or recessed panel designs, wood look fiberglass doors for warmth without maintenance, decorative glass inserts or sidelights, neutral or heritage-inspired colors. These styles preserve the home's charm while delivering modern performance improvements. Transitional doors for blended styles. Many Redmond homeowners prefer a transitional approach, combining traditional warmth with modern simplicity. Transitional doors are versatile and work well for homes that don't fit neatly into one category. Transitional door features often include clean panel designs with subtle detailing, mixed materials such as glass and textured finishes, balanced proportions that suit a wide range of homes, hardware that blends classic and modern elements. This style is ideal for remodels or homes undergoing gradual updates. Energy-efficient materials for Redmond's climate. Redmond's cool temperatures, frequent rain, and high humidity make energy efficiency and moisture resistance essential. Choosing the right door material is just as important as selecting the style. Top material choices include fiberglass doors, which resist moisture, insulate well, and offer flexible design options. Insulated steel doors, providing strength and excellent thermal performance. Composite doors, designed for long-term stability in damp climates. These materials help reduce drafts, maintain indoor comfort, and lower energy bills year-round. Glass options that balance light and efficiency. Many homeowners want natural light in their entryway, but older glass inserts can lead to heat loss. Modern replacement doors offer energy-efficient glass options designed for Redmond's climate. Consider double or triple pane insulated glass, low-E coatings to reduce heat transfer, frosted or textured glass for privacy, impact-resistant glass for added security. These features allow light in without compromising efficiency or comfort. Professional installation completes the upgrade. Even the best replacement door won't perform properly without expert installation. Professional installers ensure a precise fit within the existing frame, tight sealing against moisture and drafts, proper alignment for smooth operation, long-term durability and performance. Correct installation is especially important in Redmond's wet climate, where gaps can quickly lead to moisture problems. A door that fits your Redmond home, inside and out. Choosing the right replacement door style is about more than looks. It's about enhancing comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal while respecting your home's architectural identity. Whether your Redmond home is modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, the right door style, paired with durable materials and professional installation, creates a welcoming, secure, and beautiful entry. With thoughtful selection, your replacement door becomes an upgrade you'll appreciate every day.